The Alerts report can instantly give you insights into what hazards your workers are exposed to in the workplace and how often they're being exposed to them. If your devices are monitored, you can also use this report to review the efficiency of your monitoring team. All of this information is available as part of the default Blackline Analytics suite. To see the Alerts report, log into Blackline Live and click on Blackline Analytics from the main menu. Find the Alerts report in the sidebar and click to open it. Certain areas on site might be more susceptible to alerts, indicating that the area should be avoided or that workers may need special equipment to work there. Clusters of similar alerts on the map are a sign that an area might be a danger to workers. By looking at the Alert Locations map, you can see where alerts are taking place and identify potential problem areas. The Alerts report can help evaluate whether a group of workers might require more training or whether they're being disproportionately exposed to hazards. Check the alerts chart to determine which groups or individuals are experiencing the most alerts and cross-reference with other visuals in the report to help form improvement strategies. To see whether any new training, processes, or policies have had an impact on the number of alerts, you can also monitor the number of alerts over time. Lastly, if you're curious about the performance and efficiency of your monitoring team, you can review how long it takes alerts to be acknowledged and resolved. Depending on whether you want to see high-level trends or perform granular troubleshooting, you can see alert processing times as an average or by individual alerts. Alert information can also be viewed in a table in the Alert Logs tab. This table can be filtered, sorted, and easily exported. The Alerts report can be a useful tool in planning strategies to improve and refine safety practices and gives you a look at the overall safety of your workers.